Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly remove blank pages from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. For example, I've got a PDF here that I want to work with. Open this PDF in Acrobat. If you have Acrobat set as your default PDF viewer, it will open automatically when you open the PDF. But if Acrobat is not your default viewer, right-click on the file, click on Open With, and select Adobe Acrobat. On the right side menu, go to the Page Thumbnails option. Now, bring your cursor to the divider, drag it all the way across, and then release. This will expand the Pages menu, and you'll be able to see all the pages clearly here. Now you can clearly see the blank pages. You can delete the blank pages one by clicking the Delete option, or you can hold the Control key and select all the blank pages at once. After selecting them, click the Delete option, then click OK to confirm. And just like that, the blank pages are removed from the document. Now, if you want to save the changes to this document, click the Save icon to update the existing file. But if you want to create a new PDF with the changes, you can do that as well. To do this, click on the menu option and choose Save As. Now, click on Choose a different location, select a location, rename the file, and click Save. Let's go to the saving location. This is the new PDF we just saved. If I open this, you can see that there are no blank pages in this document. And that's how you can remove blank pages from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.